Hey guys, what's going on? Bcraig here with Bcraigtrades. I just want to go over some quick thoughts I'm looking at first and foremost. Give you guys an update on $500 account challenge. But before we get into that, if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Really helps with the algorithm. You guys really supported the last video too, and I love that and I appreciate you guys so much for that. But like I said, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit that, and subscribe to the channel. So first, I want to get into the market conditions. I want to talk about that right now. Yeah, let's talk about the market conditions right now. Today we opened up pretty big green. I mean, futures were up, pre-markets, everything was going well. I think the markets kind of got ahead of itself. People were really excited for the new year, kind of be done with 2020 and move on to 2021. But the market was kind of a little bit ahead of itself. You started to see news flood in from the UK saying they're shutting back down. The Senate race is going on in Georgia, and if the Dems do get the Senate, I think the market will sell off a little bit because there's kind of no balance there between the House and Senate, since Dems will control both. Democrats will control both of them. So the market is kind of shaky today. So the market's kind of shaky on what's going to exactly happen with that. So I'm staying on my toes with that. If we didn't have that going on, the markets would be up pretty big. I think the Senate race, the vote is on tomorrow, January 5th. Yeah, tomorrow. But after this kind of clears up, the market should have no big hiccups or speed bumps that I can see right now, unless it's more shutdowns around the country. There have been some shutdowns around the world, but with the United States, some states are still open, hasn't really shut down completely again. So my game plan right now for the beginning of the year is to really be in the EV sector. The EV sector is kind of hot, and that's the electronic vehicle sector. So you have your LI, you have your Blink, your Neos, your Plug, also names. So I'm looking to play those. I feel like a lot of the money has been dumped into those stocks, just riding those out and scalping those on the way up. Some of them have been overbought. Some of them are oversold right now, so we just got to find the right ones and see where the flow is going, and that's how we use BlackBox stocks. Just a plug for BlackBox stocks. If you aren't already signed up for them, my link is in the description. You can go ahead and get your first month a discounted price if you do sign up for them. But yeah, so we'll look for flow in those names to see what we can get. I do feel like the SPY is very volatile right now. Just due to what's going on. So if people are being scary in the market and not wanting to put their money in certain places, I'm just going to play SPY up and down, kind of like today. I got some pretty good moves today in the market, but the market kind of sold off, and some stocks were kind of standing still, but SPY was selling off, so I was able to get some SPY puts and make a good amount, like 250 on those, but a good amount of those. So my watch list right now, I'm kind of watching this week, and it probably will grow as the days go on, but there's names I like to have in my head, and some of these names I actually do have up on my screen once the market opens. But I have AMD, Neo, Blink, Plug, Disney, Lemonade, Fubo, LI, BIDU, and BILI. Some of them continuation plays. Fubo to the short side, it's been selling off pretty hardcore. It had this really big gap up, and now it's just really selling off hardcore. Lemonade to the short side. I know their investor lockup period ended last week on Thursday, I believe. So I'm gonna check that out and see if we can get some more puts in there. Disney continuation, Disney kind of been floating high off of those subscription count that came out. Blink, Plug, that's Neo, that's an electronic vehicle sector, so that's a pretty hot sector right there. And I feel like AMD is trying to push to the 100 mark. AMD is kind of been on the good tier. It was kind of trading really sideways last week. And today it gapped up a little bit, and then it really just fell down. So I'm actually that's a good play. I'm gonna look for a gap fill in AMD. I need to write that down for myself. Gap fill possible. So I'm looking for a possible gap fill in AMD since it sold off a good amount today. If we do open up green tomorrow, we should be able to get that gap fill, and I can play some of those weekly options and get some good gains on those. Let's see. So this is the $500 account challenge, E-Trade account. So I actually had paid $500 in his account last week on Tuesday. And I was planning to start the account challenge today, which is Monday, 1/4. But I was just practicing around last week, and I started with 587 on Tuesday. Thursday I closed at 1200 or so, and today we closed at 1400. You know, after last week, I was feeling really good and confident in myself. And a lot of times with this trading, it's really just, you know, getting in a groove of things. You know how just like when Steph Curry, when he's hitting all those threes in a row, you're just in a groove. You don't want to go get a snack and come back. So I'm just going to keep trading on this account for right now, since I'm kind of like in a good little groove of things. But today we were able to get 262. So $262 in profit on the first day on this account challenge. We are down with Neo, but Neo is a swing throughout the week. I'm looking for Neo to keep increasing. The overall chart on the long term, not long term, even long term, it could be, you know, the next week or a week, you know, a couple weeks. It's looking good. It was in the wedge. It's kind of going higher here. It did have a big downward fall, and it's kind of breaking that trend now and trying to head higher. So I'm in those Neos right now. But yeah, so first day of trade account challenge. Excuse me. Up 262, not bad. Started with like about, actually we didn't even start with 1200. We started with 1197, I believe. But the screenshots are all on my Twitter profile, and you can look at my Instagram. I'll, you know, post a screenshot of that. But yeah, so we're at 1418 now. I'm kind of proud of that. But yeah, guys, so that's about it for this video. Just want to kind of go over the quick account challenge where I'm looking at for this week, and getting a game plan. So try to get these videos out a couple times this week already. But yeah, that's about it. Remember, guys, if you find any value in this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, send me some comments below. Is any stocks you want me to chart out? Ask me any opinions about anything. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and join our trading community. I can't even talk right. But we have about 400 traders in there. I also have a premium group where I do you know, give those guys my exact entries and exits on what I'm doing right, any trades I'm in. And right now we're doing a $500 account challenge, so it's very doable for everybody to kind of participate in that, and we just started today. So go ahead and jump into that, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching.